Oh, it's another lovely day up in the Weedy Garden. G'day and welcome everybody. It's a bit squishy underneath my toes, but it's winter soon, so I'll have to get some boots out. Oh, I didn't really think about this, did I? Didn't really think about coming up underneath this tree. I thought it was a nice shot to start the video off, but it's a bit hard to be in here. But all I wanted to say is, on this video, someone's going to win a food forest. I really love being up here in the garden. It's really important for me to be authentic on this channel. And that joy that I have of sharing my garden with everybody, that's really authentic. And I was thinking the other day, how many people out there would just really love to have this feeling that I have, this kind of lifestyle, living the dream with your bare feet on the ground, eating your own food, like a gorilla, like I used to dream about when I was a kid. And it got me thinking, you know, apart from doing these videos where I try to inspire you and remind you to find your connection again, what else can I do to let someone experience the same joy that I'm experiencing? And I thought I'd just love to give someone a food forest so they could have it and experience it, but I thought I can't do that. But I thought we're a community now on the Weedy Garden channel, and I'm thinking if we all pitch in, maybe we can realise somebody's dream. But I was thinking, how can I share this experience more than I'm already doing on the videos? See, and then the idea came to me like a ray of sunshine from behind the clouds. Why not if we all pitch in, okay, a little bit everybody, then someone's going to be the lucky winner. We're going to give away a food forest about the same size as the Weedy Garden, but if you're only in a little backyard in the suburbs, this is also for you. So the lucky person's going to win up to 100 trees, including fruit trees, berry trees, nut trees, and all sorts of shrubs and bushes for underneath. And you'll get a permaculture design plan, specifically tailored that fits your climate and your land. And it's going to be designed by my good friend Jeff Lawden. You know Jeff from the last video, from my movie.
Sure, in the middle of a thunderstorm while the started one. I've got to go and get dry and change my clothes so I can carry on teaching, all right? Cool. No worries. Thanks a lot. All right.
The lucky person's also going to win a flow hive, also get a bee suit, a J-tool, and a smoker. And if you're living in Australia, I'll also throw in one of these worm vilts made with a cast iron bathtub and some star pickets and some wire. And you'll even get your own little wormville sign as well with it. Coffee time worms. We all know what the worms look like. See? So you'll be able to make your own little wormville. And if the lucky person lives in New South Wales or southeast Queensland, I'll even come personally and install the worm farm with them. I just drop some worms, I'll pick them up. And that's not all, that's not all. And I'll also come and build a soil factory for you. See? So you can make your own yummy compost soil just like that one here, see? Beautiful. Oh, it smells like a farm. And if you are living in New South Wales or southeast Queensland, then I'll come and install it for you and we'll make a video. But you don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. And I'm thinking if we all pitch in, then the funds will be able to buy someone a food forest and all this wonderful stuff. Someone's going to be a lucky food forester. I'll show you the lucky bucket. So anyone who goes and purchases one of the little designs from the Weedy Garden, so there's 5 designs that we use up here in the Weedy Garden. We've got Meet the Spuds, we've got the Calming Carrot, we've got Just Veggin', of course the Weedy Gardener, and then we've got this special one, a new one, and that is Hemp, the Queen of Herbs. So anyone who purchases one of these, they get a high-res download of it. So then you can actually get it printed on your own t-shirt or make a poster out of it, put it in your garden shed, or you can go down to one of those printing shops online that can make coffee cup for you. Then you'll have some Weedy Garden art in your garden. So everyone that purchases one of the designs, I'll put their name in this bucket. I'll give it a wash before I do it, but everyone's name's going to go in here, and I'll pick out one on the 10th of August. And I'll show that video on my YouTube channel on Saturday, the 10th of August at 6 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. And then I'll send them a private email. And I'd say the entries are going to close on August the 9th at noon if you're in Australia. And again, anyone can enter anywhere around the world. We're going to be working with the local nurseries. So wherever you are, we'll find out the nursery that's closest to you, and that'll be where you're getting your trees from. Really what we want to do all together is to make someone feel extraordinarily happy because they've just got themselves a whole new food forest. Alright, so I hope we all participate in this one. And the funds will go towards, of course, buying the food forest and getting it all done. So good luck, everybody. And this food forest will be delivered to you wherever you are in the world. Oh, one important thing I didn't mention before, you have to do your own digging, okay? And we can design a food forest without swales. That's very doable. So I hope that makes sense to everybody. Otherwise, all the info is written on the website, on the weedygarden.com. And, oh yeah, schools can also enter, any sort of community area, or you can even enter for a friend and let them, and if they win, then what a great gift to give to somebody. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next week on the Weedy Garden. Have a lovely day, and I'll catch you later. Remember, enjoy your lives.